The biggest mistake a lot of presenters make isn't their slides, it's not their script, they're just not actually in the room. They're not in the moment, they're not in the here and now. And that can really undermine their whole presentation. Their audience isn't going to take them seriously, they're not really going to listen, they're not going to pay attention, and they're certainly not going to remember what they said. So, how do we be in the moment? Being in the moment is about being in the room, being present, being aware. It's all too easy when you're presenting to really just be in your head and be in your script, particularly if you've tried to learn it. Being in the moment means that you're a bit more natural, relaxed, authentic, and responsive. I've seen an awful lot of presenters who, when something happens in the room, let's say a phone goes off, or something drops off the wall, or somebody sneezes loudly, just carry on and completely ignore it. And yet the audience are going, oh, hang on, what was that? As a speaker, if you ignore what's going on around you, it tends to say to the audience, I'm actually not listening, I'm not aware. If something happens, respond to it. If somebody's phone goes off, I tend to say, if that's my mother, tell her I'm busy. It just tells the audience that yes, I've heard it, yes, I'm aware of it, it's slightly annoying, but you know what, it doesn't matter, we'll carry on, it happens. So find a way of keeping yourself aware of what's going on around you. And that's going to be visual, that's going to be listening as well. Being in the moment is also about responding to your audience, being aware of how they're feeling, how they're responding. Again, a lot of presenters will just keep on going, irrespective of nodding heads or body language or people starting to lose interest. So you need to be aware of the audience, aware of the surroundings, aware of what's going on. It's also about being aware of things like timing. If you're not in the moment, you're going to just carry on regardless of what that little clock is saying to you in front, saying, actually, you've only got 2 minutes left, and you're going to carry on and you're going to overrun. Being in the moment is having awareness. Now, it does take a bit of practice. It's not something that everybody can just be in the moment. It takes a bit of practice to be aware of what's going on around you, but don't let things throw you. What you're saying to an audience by being in the moment and responsive is, that didn't bother me. It doesn't need to bother you. We're all in this together. Yes, we heard it, but let's keep going. Ignoring it just tends to send this message that actually I'm in my script, I'm in my head, I'm not really aware, and actually I'm not really connecting with you. To send to yourself when you walk onto stage, some people like to make what we call connecting comments. So they'll say good morning or good afternoon, whatever, and then they might make a little comment about the weather, the venue, the food, something that everybody's thinking. And those can be a really nice way just to start building rapport with the audience and make it clear that we're all in this together and that we are all in the moment. Now, other people prefer to come on and launch into their opening direct, and that actually, on the whole, is a way I prefer. But you've got to be responsive to that audience. That's how they're going to tell that you're in the moment. So it's about getting your mind, your emotional state, should we say, but also your senses, particularly your hearing, your seeing, your vision. Make sure that they are switched on. You're not just glazed over because you're now sort of reciting a script and you're not really looking at anybody and not going to say anything. You're just going to say what's coming into your head and you're going to say it and here's my next slide and I'm not going to talk anymore. That's not in the moment. It's absolutely about being there, being present in mind as well as body. Your slides and your script, they'll look after themselves. You need to make sure you are absolutely in the moment.